Hi everyone. Today we're going to continue our work on lesson 13-3, working with the customary units of measurement for weight. Okay, so if you remember from yesterday, we were working with ounces, pounds, and tons. These are the three units of measurement in the customary measurement system for weight. Okay. One of the things that you're going to notice in just a few minutes when we actually get to the homework page where you're going to do your independent work today is that your math book, for some reason on the homework page, doesn't put a conversions chart. Okay. So most people have these conversions memorized. Most people in their head remember that 1 ton has 2,000 pounds. This is only the second day that you've been working with this, so I don't expect you to have that memorized, okay? But hopefully eventually you do, okay? The other conversion that you're going to need to remember is 1 pound has 16 ounces, okay? So you're going to need to remember those two conversions. That's why I wrote them here, okay? Might be a really good idea to grab a sticky note or a little piece of paper and write this chart down so you have it in front of you. The other thing that you could do is have this video on a tab and open up your work in a different area, or just even pause this video right at this moment. Okay, obviously I want you to keep listening so we can practice, but come back to the video, pause it at this moment, and you have your conversions chart right in front of you. Okay, so 1 ton has 2,000 pounds and 1 pound has 16 ounces. We're going to need to remember that today. All right, so I know I'm going to need some scrap paper as I'm working, so I'm going to add in a piece of scrap paper. And then let's get back into our math books. So the work that you're going to be asked to do is on page 695 and 696. We're going to ask you to complete questions 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then on the back, questions 9 and 14. If you are someone that really enjoys challenging themselves and you want to try and exceed expectations, question number 10 is a bonus. So just to help you get the hang of this, let's work on a couple of these together. Okay, so let's look at question number 1. Okay, and if you need to pause the video to grab scrap paper, that's a great idea. You're also allowed to use a calculator. Okay, so for number 1, we're being asked to convert pounds to ounces. We have 21 pounds. Okay, this is where you have to remember the conversion. 21 pounds, there's 16 ounces in each pound. Okay, so you're not going to count 16 plus 16 plus 16 plus 16 plus 16 21 times. That would be ridiculous. So use multiplication. There clearly is not enough space here in my math book, so I'm going to use my scrap paper. All right, so we were solving question number 1. It was 21 pounds. There's 16 ounces in each pound. And yes, you can use a calculator. Okay, you do not have to write all this stuff out, but it is good practice to write it. Okay, and then we're going to multiply. Don't be intimidated by the 2-digit times 2-digit multiplication. Use the turtle head method. Okay, so 6 times 1 is 6. No regrouping. 6 times 2 is 12. I don't have any other places over here, so I'm just going to write the whole 12. Okay, draw the collar. Nothing to cross off at the top, so I lay the egg. Okay, multiply what's here under his chin. So 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. Then I'm going to go ahead and add. 6 plus 0 is 6. 2 plus 1 is 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. I got 336. Great time to pull out a calculator and check your computation. So, based on my multiplication work, 21 pounds is 336 ounces. Okay, so question number 2. We're being asked to convert tons to pounds. So here's what we have to remember. 1 ton has 2,000 pounds. Okay, that's just one of those measurements that a lot of people have memorized. So if we have 8 tons, there's 2,000 pounds in each ton. Now you're going to notice right away, I didn't go to my scrap paper for this. No, I didn't, because it's the zeros trick. Okay, so we multiply the numbers that are not 0. That's 8 times 2, which gives us 16. We count how many zeros are in this situation. There's 3. We add our comma, and look at that! With the zeros trick, you just multiplied a ridiculously large number times this one-digit number. So 8 tons has 16,000 pounds. Okay, so what we want you to try and do, continue this work. Try number 5, try number 6, number 7, number 8, and then on the back, try number 9 and 14, and then when you're ready for a bonus, try number 10. Okay, you totally have this. Take your time and do really good work.